hold it down a bit so it doesn't, right there.
Yes.
Leave it there, okay?
Yeah.
Hello everybody, we apologise for our absence, but we've obviously been doing a new business model and it's quite literally been impossible to describe how much harder it was than we could ever conceive.
Yeah, it's very labor intensive.
It's harder than actually running the restaurant.
Yeah, we didn't expect that. It was like a tidal wave.
Massive.
Come on us.
Yeah.
It was, oh.
But anyway, we're here to say, one, that we'll be making videos again very soon. We won't have one this week going up, but we're filming this week. So next week we will definitely have a video going up. Hopefully 2, because that's the plan. We're going to get 2 videos out a week. One will be obviously the cooking instructional videos every Wednesday, and then every Sunday we hope to be able to do sort of like a technical video, so where we open a wok, for example. We've got a wok donated by the School of Wok. They've got a brand new range out and they've given us one to open, so we'll be doing that on camera and we'll be testing that as well, and we'll be testing that for Sunday videos. How to sharpen knives will be Sunday videos. How to cut certain
Vegetable.
Thank you. Things like that, technical video. The second thing is that our ready meals, Thais is the brand name, and that's a little nod to my auntie whose takeaway I grew up in, didn't I?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's right, yes, yeah.
So it means auntie. These will be available on a new web store, coolasia.com, and there is going to be a link in the description for this. So don't worry about that. Just head there, click on it, have a browse. Anyone who's pre-ordering, we're actually going to give something away too in the pre-order. We're not sure what that is yet, whether it's a discount code for next time, whether it's a small little gift. We just want to give something back to say thank you very much for being the sort of early adopters of this product line of ours. We will obviously be expanding the range. I'll be slightly honest, I can't believe how much work the 10 things have taken us to do. So I'm glad I didn't, because we originally had like 25 dishes and then I realised just how...
Scale it down, yes.
And then I just want to show these, if we go forward a bit. For example, the crispy beef is massive. You get way more beef than you would in a takeaway, and that's a normal takeaway container. It's tiny compared to that. Just like that, that's massive.
Yes.
That's a chicken chow mein, chicken curry.
Yes.
And crispy.
And crispy chili beef.
Thank you, Mum. And of course, they've all got MSG in, so thumbs up for that, yeah?
Hashtag MSG massive.
Nailed it.
Yes.
We are saying, unfortunately, there's about 8-week wait on us starting to send out the pre-orders. That's because logistically doing this frozen stuff is really massively difficult, and we just want to make sure that all the teething errors are gone before we start sending anything out to people. In terms of the postage and stuff, we charge for the postage, but only what we get charged. There is also a small frozen food charge on top of that, because we're using very substantial boxes that are really expensive, along with liners that are filled with wool. These are wool liners, so these aren't cheap.
In winter, if you feel cold, you can make it into a jacket, a puffer jacket.
Yeah, you could.
Puffin.
Can't see you winning any awards wearing that.
Might be in a catwalk, yes.
And then obviously the icebox on top. So we don't actually make money from that. We make a loss from that little charge, but it just means that we don't have to put an extra charge on top of the food, which is going to make the food a little bit more expensive. We'll have a pickup option available at some point, so those of you who are close to us can come pick it up.
If you're down at the neighborhood, you can come,
swing by,
swing by and collect your frozen meal from
Yeah.
us.
Yeah.
Anything you'd like to know, just comment, we'll get back to you.
Exactly. And thank you for your patience, and we will be back very soon.
Yes, it is. I'm going to repeat it again.
Okay.
Thank you for your orders and thank you for your patience, really from the bottom of our heart.
Yeah, it's been
amazing, you lot, and supporting from us. From a lot of you has been following us from very beginning.
Nearly a decade ago.
Yeah, and seeing through and walk with us with the journey. And thank you very much.
Yeah, it's really, sometimes it's a bit overwhelming, and
yes,
like I don't think people realise just how blown away. We've just hit 500,000 subscribers, which is like, it's just unbelievable. Like, never did we ever think that. But anyway, huh?
Happy cooking, happy eating.
Till next time. Well, next week. Bye.
Yeah.